What is composition in photography? Well, today you're going to learn what composition is and why it's important to photography. As an added bonus, you'll learn how to get my composition made easy system for free, which makes creating better images like a pro super duper easy. Hello, my name is Parker. I've been a pro photographer for 35 years and I help photographers like you create better images. If you're ready to learn what composition is, let's do it. So what is composition in photography? Well, it's simply the arrangement of elements in a scene that you include in your photo, which is sometimes easier said than done. Am I right? So composition in photography is the most difficult part of creating amazing images. This applies to any genre, whether portraits, landscapes, weddings, wildlife, or anything else. Although I'd say it's the most difficult for wildlife since you have no control over your subject. However, you do have control over what elements, objects, or subjects to include in your image, whether to stand or kneel. You have control over what time of day to shoot, which lens to use, and much more, all of which can make your composition worse or better. And you must decide on all of those when composing your image. But it sounds difficult, doesn't it? That's why I developed my composition made easy system, which you can get for free. With it, you'll learn how to compose anything like a pro, and I'll explain how to get it in a moment. First, let's explore why composition in photography is important. Imagine trying to create a meal by just looking at a photo. If you don't have the full recipe, which includes the ingredients and instructions for preparing and cooking, your meal will be awful. Wouldn't you agree? The same is true with a photo you want to create, and there's a recipe for creating amazing images. Without it, your photos will be horrible as well. Now, the recipe is included in my composition made easy system, which you can get for free by watching this video next. Thanks for listening and have an awesome day.